Hi guys! Kamusta kayo? Papunta na kami ng grocery. Bibili kami ng pang Mexican food at saka gagawin namin tacos and fried fish. So ang gagawin namin ngayong mukbang ay Mexican, American, Filipino food. So eto naman si Papa and Dog.
Hi everybody, we're on our way to Safeway here in Florence, Oregon to pick up the ingredients to make tacos, and Mama A is going to get the things she needs to fry her fish, and we will be back soon. Thank you. Bye.
Eto yung papunta na kami. Nasa daan na kami. Papunta na kami ng grocery. Tingnan nyo, parang probinsya lang, di ba? So wala namang pinag-iba. Kaya yung iba, wag mainggit, mas maganda pa rin ang Pilipinas. Niluluto na ni Papa and Dog yung gagawin niyang tacos. Beef tacos. It's a Mexican food. Wow. Malapit na. And this is the fish. I'm frying the fish. And this is Papa and Dog tacos. He's making the tacos.
Well, okay.
Hi guys! Kakain ulit kami. Magmumukbang kami ulit. Tuturuan ko siya kung paano kumain ng fish. Nagawa si Papa and Dog ng tacos, Mexican food. Sa akin naman ay yung nahuli namin na fish, di ba? Kamusta kayo? Okay, manood lang kayo, pero sana meron din kayong kinakain habang kami nagmumukbang. Okay, you want to say something, honey?
No, just we just wanted to show you the two different foods here. The fish that Annalie cooked, and then I made some tacos that I learned from my mom when we used to own Mexican restaurants years ago when we were little. So we had
it's a Filipino and Mexican
combination.
Combination. So, let's eat. Come on.
Go ahead.
Kain din kayo kung anong kinakain
I wish you guys
nyo.
were all here.
Yeah.
It would be so much better if everybody was here.
So,
I feel sad.
nanggigigil na ako kanina pa dito sa fish. So, gusto ko nang kainin siya.
You're gonna put on mine.
Huh?
You're gonna put some on mine here.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. No, if you want to serve it how you want to do it.
Pasensya na kayo, hindi na ako sanay kumain ng dalawang kamay na ang gamit ko.
And then I'll make a taco.
Yung fish kasi, pwede nyo din siyang gawing fish taco. Dito, ganon. Alam nyo kasi, sa mga Chabacano dyan, nagawa ako ng pan-toppings. Kaso mo, syempre, mga puti sila, white people. So, ang gusto nila is talagang fried fish. So, kain na tayo. Ito yung, natandaan nyo yung nahuli namin na isda. Ito na siya ngayon. Naluto ko na siya. So, meron tayong sausawan, yung ating toyo na may sibuyas at saka kamatis. So, this is very common in the Philippines. Tapos, meron akong rice. Dahil sa Philippines, rice is life. Siya naman tacos.
Here you go. There. Want me to make a taco?
Yeah. Mm.
They're gonna hear us crunching.
Mabuti na lang, sunod siya ng sunod sa
What?
sinasabi ko no? So, eto, ginagawa niya ako ng tacos, nakakainin ko. Pero, susubo muna ako ng kanin. Mm. Mm. Like a fish?
Yeah, do you?
Mm. Yung nahuli
You just
namin na
have to watch
fish,
the bones.
yung nahuli naming fish, manamis-namis. Fresh na fresh kasi. Mm.
Very good.
Ganyan ang gawa. Sausaw mo dito. Sabay kain. Ganun lang yon. Wag na mag-inarte.
Filipinos know how to cook good fish.
Mm.
You know.
Sa totoo lang mga kaibigan, ngayon lang ako nakakain ulit ng mga ganito.
Mm.
Mm.
How's it taste? That was right out of the lake, right here. That's crazy.
Kumain kayo. Kailangan kumakain kayo. Sarap, sarap.
Mm.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah, crunchy to her. If you fry the shells too crunchy, then they
Susubukan ko
fall
naman
apart
yung
like a...
tacos ni Papa Endog.
Yeah, you could hear it crunch.
Mm-hmm.
She likes crunchy tacos. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Sarap. Ano to? Beef with potatoes.
Yeah.
So, beef tacos. Mm. Mm.
It's nice sitting out here. It's very, very quiet.
Quiet and cold.
Yeah. It's a little bit cool. Would you like some?
Sarap.
By the time we get home, I'm gonna be 500 pounds. We're, my goodness,
Pag pumunta kami ng Pilipinas,
Philly.
pag eto palagi,
My goodness.
pag kami, ito palagi pinagagawa namin. Kakain kami na nagkakain. Ako,
Better to eat the fish than the tacos, but
siguro yung mga timbang namin, nabago na nga eh. Nagbakasyon kasi. Sarap. The fish is good. Yung kasing fish, nilagay ko pa sa sa freezer, kaya medyo natagalan.
she cooked it so fast.
Because of your kettle.
No. All right.
So, kumakain siya ng fish. See?
What?
Kumakain siya ng fish. Kinakamay niya din. Oh, you didn't wear the...
No. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad. We go to some restaurants sometimes, you could tell the fish isn't very fresh, and I don't really like it like that. I'd rather eat, the fresh, like the way the Filipinos make their fish. They know how to cook. I don't know how to make fish.
Hindi sila marunong magluto ng fish.
I can make fish sticks. I'm really good. Take them out of the freezer and
Pero hindi nila alam yung
Put 'em in the
paksiw,
oven.
hindi nila alam yung pangat,
put them.
kinamatisan. Gusto ko yung sapsap. Talagang pag uwi ko, kakain ako ng sapsap. Kinamatisan na sapsap. Tingnan niyo yung aking sausawan, no? Sibuyas, kamatis, na may pipino. Sarap.
Good.
Sa mga nagtatanong kung asan si Dad, wala po siya.
Let's say we're at 8 minutes. Okay. Because we're at 8 minutes now.
How many minutes?
8 minutes already.
Wala si Dad, nasa kasino. Sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat sa aming mukbang. Okay. At itong orange, hindi ito mawawala. Pantanggal ng lansa. Bye!